What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We got some cars cleaned up, and I want to show you what they look like. We're going to start with the Range Rover in this video. We'll do another video on the Expedition. Yeah, Expedition. I haven't started the Range in quite a while. I'm going to say it's been... well, probably 4 or 5 days since we started this thing, but I wanted to give you a quick walk around. I had it fully detailed by on-the-spot mobile detailing, and let me tell you, it looked awful, and now it looks sharp, guys. It is sharp. We'll take it out on a drive real quick, make sure she still runs and drives the way she's supposed to. But I mean, man, they really made this thing look, they made it look real good. She's ready. Look at that paint. She's ready. Let's take a look at the back here. Woo. Look at this. Look at this. Right? Did they not nail this thing? I'm telling you, man. Ooh. They made it look so good. Look at that. I'm blown away, guys. I am blown away. Like, they really take pride in their work. And the prices are great. It's not sponsored either. I hope I made that very clear before. But they come to me. I don't have to go all the way out to them. They come out here and they do it right here in my yard while I'm doing other things. You know how much they charge me? About $190 for this car and $190 for the other. And remember, both of these are big SUVs and both were absolutely nasty on the inside and the outside. I feel like for $190, it's well worth it. So the question is it still going to run? Is it still gonna drive? Ooh, boy, that seat is way forward. Oh, it is hot in here. Oh, she fired right up. Yes, she did. Yes, she did. Whew, get that air conditioning going. We got no check engine lights, right? Yes, sir. All right, guys. Are you ready? Is that touchscreen? I can't remember. It is touchscreen. Hey, it's been a while since I've been in this, guys, honestly. I just bought this for the heck of it. Turned out the video did really well. So, apparently, you guys enjoy watching me buy Range Rovers and finding out if, you know, we're going to lose our behinds on them. You know what? I'm not going to record while I back up. I'm in a tight spot here, so let me get myself straightened out and we'll get on the road. All right, here we go. So far, so good. The main thing is I want to make sure before I send it off to auction that we're not having any problems with it running rough, with it acting like it's got a head gasket problem, with it smoking, with it overheating. I am not going to send this thing down the road to some unsuspecting buyer until I've made absolutely certain this thing is good to go. Now, remember, it's a Range Rover, it's a Land Rover, all right? And I could send it down the road today, and tonight it could start acting up again. So, fair warning, man. This is one of the reasons I try to avoid cars like this. Land Rover, Range Rovers, Mercedes, BMWs, they're just real finicky vehicles. Now, that's been my experience. Now, a lot of people from Europe comment to me all the time on YouTube and they tell me that the cars are great. It's just Americans that don't know how to drive them and how to work on them. Is that possible? Sure, absolutely. I'm not here to say that the cars are junk. I'm not trying to, if that's the way it comes off, I apologize. I don't mean to say that like European cars are junk. Absolutely not. I'm just saying that my experience and a lot of other people's experiences with them have not been good to the brands. With that said, let's get back to the house and let's check the temperature again. I'll tell you what, the only thing this is missing, honestly, is air-conditioned seats. If it had air-conditioned seats, man, this thing would be so perfect. Oh, there's the Ram. There's the Hell Air. There's the trailer. Find a spot to park this bad boy and park it in the shade. I guess this one, as far as I can tell, is ready to go down the road, guys. Try not to hit my trailer. There we go. All right, let's take a look at that temperature gauge, shall we? See how bad it is. All right, there it is after a nice drive. We still have no check engine lights on, and I can't clear the codes because I don't have my scanner with me. My scanner's still at AR headquarters. Take a look at this temperature after driving it, and we've got the air conditioning running, which everybody knows that's a good way to overheat a vehicle that has overheating issues, is to drive it and turn the AC on as well. She's idling, she's purring, she's driving. At this point, guys, I'm ready to send this one down the road. So here's the plan. Normally with these, what I do is a video like this, letting you know that it's going up for sale. That way one of my subscribers can buy it. But I've had a few people comment and say that that's kind of tacky and it makes me sound like a pushy car salesman. And I don't want my channel to be like that. So instead, I think what I'm going to do is I'm not even going to make a video about putting it up for sale. This video is going to be about the fact that it's cleaned up. It now runs and drives without overheating. It currently has no issues that I know of, including the air suspension. And it's going to be a profit or loss video. I'm hoping that we can flip this cheap Range Rover. That's scary to say. Cheap and Range Rover in the same sentence is terrifying. But I'm going to see if we can flip this cheap Range Rover for big profits right here on the channel. So when we come back, this will be sold and we can go over the profit or loss of the Range Rover. So how much did we make? Or more importantly, how much did we lose on the 2006 Land Rover Range Rover? Well, we had a total investment into this vehicle of $2,975. We sold it for $1,726. That is a loss, ladies and gentlemen, of $1,249. Now, there is a bonus side to this. Okay, I made one video about the Range Rover. Just one video, because it was a lemon law Range Rover, and I'll get to that in just a second. That one YouTube video brought in $1,813.35, which offset the negative $1,249 loss and gave us a positive balance of $564.35. So we made $564.35. Now, back to the lemon law. I had a lot of questions. How could it be a lemon law when it had over 200,000 miles on it? Very easy. Once a title is branded, it will forever be branded. And that vehicle was branded as a lemon title from back in the day when it was new out in California, if I remember correctly, is where that thing came from. When it was still new, it was branded a lemon law. It will forever have a lemon law title for the rest of its days until it ends up crushed in a scrapyard somewhere and shipped off to China for cheap metal. It will always carry a lemon law branded title. That video did very well. And thanks to that video, we were able to come out on top of this one with $564.35 profit. If you hear my voice is a little scratchy, I've been sick for about a week. I'm still recovering, trying to make some videos for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. Let me know. Drop those comments down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're not currently subscribed. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Auto Auction Rebuilds. Until next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.